Hi everyone, today we have another package. First of all, we have a PCB memory card. It's 4 GB from Magic Gate. We have a PCB charger. I think it's a genuine one. Okay. We have another PCB charger too. This one made in China, and this is made in Philippines. Okay, what is this? And another PCB charger too. It's made in China. I think this one is not an original one. And we have some WII accessories. And a WII component cable. For sure we have some CDs. It's a WII package. Alright. We have some WII games. Without boxes. Sure. Seven CDs without packaging, and we have 3 others non-sealed. Okay, with manuals. Is it for the same game? Yeah. This one without manuals. And we have this WII Mini. Excuse me. I think we'll make another video for this WII Mini to see if we can mod it. And this will be all of it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you.